Hello dear kids, today we are going to learn about comparing numbers. So this class is specially for students from class 6. So let's get started. I got 3 numbers with me. So we are going to create all the possible combinations of numbers using these 3 numbers. Okay. So let's see these examples in our digital board. So the numbers with me are 6, 1 and 3. So while creating all the possible combinations, we will avoid all the repetitions. So we will use these numbers only one time. How many 3-digit numbers you can create with these numbers? Let's start with 6. So the possible combinations are 613, 631. Possible numbers starting with 1 are 163 and 136. So the possible numbers starting with 3 are 316 and 361. Okay. See, using 3 different numbers, we were able to create 6 different 3-digit numbers. So now if you see these numbers are not in any order. Okay. So there are 2 types of orders. They are ascending order and descending order. Ascending order means what? You are ordering the numbers from the smallest to the largest. So the descending order means you are arranging the numbers from the largest to the smallest. So if somebody is asking you identify the greatest number or the smallest number from a list of number, as a first step you have to order these numbers in one of the order. It can be in ascending order or it can be in descending order. So if these numbers are in ascending order, the first number is the smallest number and the last number is the greatest number. If these numbers are in descending order, the first number is the greatest number and the last number is the smallest number. Okay. So we are going to arrange these numbers in ascending order. Among 6, 1 and 3, what is the smallest number? So it is 1. So we are going to take all the numbers starting with 1. Okay, so those numbers are 163, 136. Okay, so now there is a confusion, right? Which number is the smallest number? Okay, so we arranged these numbers using the first number. Now you have to take the second number. Okay, 136 is the smallest number. Okay, so next smallest number is 163. So we are done with the numbers starting with 1, right? So which is the next smallest number? Next smallest number is 3. So they are 316 and 361. So which is the smallest number? You have to look for the next smallest number. So in 316, the next number is 1, and in 361, the next number is 6. So the smallest number is 1. So the very next smallest number is 316. The next smallest number is 361. So we are done with the numbers starting with 1 and 3. So next number is 6. Again we have 2 numbers starting with 6, 631 and 613. So among these, 613 is the smallest number and 631 is the next number. Okay, so what we got is the same numbers in ascending order, right? So now you tell me which is the smallest number. It is 136. Which is the largest number or the greatest number? It is 631. So we got the numbers in ascending order and we got the smallest and the largest number. So next order is descending order. There are 2 ways you can arrive at descending order. One step is you already got the ascending order. If you reverse these numbers, you will get the descending order. The second option is how you identified the ascending order, in the similar way you have to start from the beginning. Okay, so we will learn that first, then we will go to the next option. So now we are going to create this list in descending order. Okay, to identify the descending order for these numbers, you have to identify the greatest number. Again, the technique is same. You have to go for the largest number among these three numbers, that is nothing but 6. Okay, so starting with 6, you got two numbers, they are 613 and 631. So how you identify which is the greatest number? The first number is same, 6. You have to look for the second number. For one number it is 1, for the another number it is 3. So the largest number, definitely the number with the largest value, it's nothing but 631, right? So here it is the descending order, so you are starting with the largest number. So which is the next largest number? It is 613. So we are done with all the numbers starting with 6. Which is the next largest number among 6, 1 and 3? It is 3, right? So starting with 3, we got two numbers, right? So they are 316 and 361. For these two numbers, the first number is 3 itself. So you cannot tell which is the greatest number. So you have to look into the second number. If you see, the second numbers are 1 and 6. So 6 is the largest number between 1 and 6. So the largest 3-digit number starting with 3 in this example is 361. Which is the next largest number? It is 316. So we are done with the numbers starting with 6 and 3. Now we have one more number, it is 1. So there are two numbers starting with 1, they are 163 and 136. So here the first number is same number 1, so you have to look for the second number. The second numbers are 6 and 3, the largest number is 6. So between 163 and 136, the largest number is 163. So the next largest number is 136. Okay, so if you see, the descending order we got is just the reverse order of the ascending order we got in the previous step. Okay, so what is the meaning of that? For a unique list of numbers, you can get the descending order just by reversing the ascending order. Also, you can get the ascending order if you have the descending order. So we have identified the largest and the smallest 3-digit number created by the combination of the numbers 6, 1 and 3. So the largest number is 631 and the smallest number is 136. So I hope now you are very clear about what you mean by ascending order and descending order. Can you try this technique for another set of 3-digit numbers? With a different topic, we will meet in the next session. I wish all of you a happy learning.